Just wanted to make a quick video before I start moving around some of these, some of this wiring loom and moving around. I'm planning on getting in here and just cleaning up this sort of stuff. Might have to give it a bit of a spray pack on some of these areas. Just before I put that dreaded airbox back in. So I want to do that before I put the airbox back in, because I don't want to have to pull that out again. That was a pain to get out. I just want to note a couple of things here. I've had a look at the previous video that I've made. This fuse box goes onto the side of the battery box. There's a little clip there, I believe, and so does this. It goes on the side of the battery box. That is referenced in another video I've got. Right, just a second. So, I just want to bring this all together. So this is a battery box. These areas here on the side of the battery box, that's where these connect to. Yes, that was hard to get out. This bit here. It's hard to get off. Where is it? This thing here. The battery box. That was on there. Yeah, that bit there. So that fuse box, this fuse box here, must go on this little tab here. So that's all that comes across this side. That's all that comes across this side on the back side of the battery box. Sorry, the battery box and the airbox. Shouldn't be too bad if I just remember that. That looks like it's a vent tube for the battery, which I believe won't have a vent tube anymore because it'll be a sealed battery. Up here, it all just stays in the one place in that same spot. This all just comes up at the back of the battery box, back of the airbox, I'd say. So I'm going to try and clean some of this wiring up. I'm going to try and touch this up, some of this stuff. Not sure how much I'll do here. I'll try and protect that sticker. You can't see under this rag, but this is all like this. It's all sort of, yeah, the dampness has got to it. So I'll try and clean all that up as well. Try and do these areas here, I suppose. And just try and tidy up that area so that I can get this dreaded airbox back in. I'll probably paint up that battery box too. I was going to get it powder coated, but I think I'll just go the cheapo method now. Okay, bye for now.